Hey, sixth grade. We have a packet this week for our screencasts, and so on the first page of your packet, I want you to write objective. I can use base 10 to model decimal division. And we're going to go through these 3 problems on the front, and then the back page of this will be practice problems for you. And we're only going to do the first page. So tomorrow our lesson will be on the second page, and then the third page will be for later in the week, possibly as an assessment. So we're going to be using models, base 10, and drawings to solve these. And we have problem 1, Jade purchased some packages of gum for $1.50. If each package cost 50 cents, how many packages did Jade purchase? Well, I know from my cube strategy that I can underline the question. I see some numbers that I can circle. Each package, here's some language that tells me I'm going to have to be dividing. So I'm going to draw, let's see, $1.50 using tens. So I'm going to do, this whole number would be 10 tens rods, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's my $1. And then 50 cents is 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each package is 50 cents. So if I circle 5 at a time, that will tell me how many packages she got. Here's 50 cents. Here's another 50 cents. Here's another 50 cents. So 1, 2, 3 packages. You also could have kind of chunked it and done kind of almost a repeated subtraction strategy that would still be kind of dividing too. So you could say, okay, well, I know $1.50. I can already subtract out 50 of that. That's 1 package of gum. And now I have $1 left. I can get 2 more packs out of that, and then add those together to get the 3 packages. This strategy up here is the closest to the base 10 division. So when you're using base 10 and models and drawings, you want to try and draw base 10 pieces. So the whole numbers, the tens rods, the hundredths pieces, and that strategy will be really helpful across so many different word problems. So I would really try practicing this and try not to use the standard algorithm today. You can use it later, but for now I would try the drawings and the models. Number 2, Israel purchased 2.5 feet of wood, or 2 5/10 feet of wood, to make a napkin holder. If he used 0.5 or 5/10 foot of wood for each side, how many sides does the napkin holder have? So I'm looking for how many sides his napkin holder has. And I know he has 2.5 feet of wood, and each side has to be 0.5 feet long. So think of it like this. He got a big plank of wood. The whole thing is 2.5 feet long, and he needs chunks that are 0.5. So they want to know how many chunks can he make. So I'm going to take my 2.5 and I'm going to turn it into tenths. So if I had